Good morning students, I am Sandhya from Bardasana Matriculation Higher Secondary School going to teach 5th standard first lesson second part. So what is the 5th standard first lesson name? The lesson name is numbers. Today we are going to see the second part. Today we are going to see the second part, part 2. So today's our first topic is write the international place value chart. In maths, in 5th standard you have Indian place value chart and international place value chart. So already you know the Indian place value chart. There we have 4 common periods and 9 sub periods are there. So what are the 4 common periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. The sub periods are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Now today we are going to see the international place value chart. International place value chart. In 5th standard you have only 2 columns. The one is ones and thousand. Ones and thousand. If we are going to the 6th standard, we are going to learn millions. In this ones place we have 3 sub periods is there. The first one is ones, the second one is tens, the third one is hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, and that second column is thousand. In this thousand column also we divided into 3 equal parts. The first one is 1000, 10,000 and finally 100,000. 1000, 10,000 and finally 100,000. Say what is the 2 common periods? Ones and thousands. Ones and thousand. In ones place we have 3 sub periods. The 3 sub periods are ones, tens, hundreds. In thousand place also we have 3 sub periods, that are 1000, 10,000, 100,000. If it is in Indian place value means in this 100,000 we will call it as lakh. Lakh place. Okay children. Today's our first topic is rewrite each of the following numbers in words. Rewrite each of the following numbers in words using international place value chart. Using international place value chart. We have 2 common periods. What are the 2 common periods? Ones, thousand, and then 6 sub periods is there. In ones column we divided 3 equal parts. In thousand column also we divided 3 equal parts. The ones column parts are ones, tens, 100. The thousand column is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So listen. Two 967. 251, 967. First you are going to write the place values. So what is the first place value? The first place value is ones, tens, hundreds, and next place value is 1000, 10,000 and finally 100,000. 1000, 10,000 and finally 100,000. Now you take the numbers and place value, then they can write the numbers name. 251,967. 251,967. 200. TWO2. 100. What is the spelling 100? HUNDRED. 200. 200. 251,000. So take FIFTY 51 ONE1 and 51,000 THOUSAND 21,000 51,967 967 HUNDRD 900. The final number is 67. So write 67. SIXTY 67. SEVEN. So the first topic is rewrite each of the following in numbers in words. So using international place value chart. In international place value chart we have 2 common periods. The first common period is ones and second common period is thousand. So in ones place we divided 3 equal parts. In thousand place also we divided 3 equal parts. In ones place ones, tens, 100. In thousand place 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So first you will write the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Now you take the numbers and place values, then write the numbers name. The first number is 251,967. 251,967. So our next example is rewrite the following numbers using international place value chart. Rewrite the following numbers using international place value chart. The first question is 4,33,000. So lakh means that is what place value? That is Indian place value. Now we are going to change into international place value chart. So listen my children. The first question is 4,33,629. 4,33,629. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So put 6 boxes. How many boxes? 6 boxes. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Now you write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and the final place value is lakh. Okay, so now they can write the numbers. 4,33,000. So 4,33,000. 4,33,629. 629. This is Indian place value system. Now we are going to convert into international place value system. So take 433,629. 433,629. So just write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So what is the next place value in international place value system? 10,000. In that lakh place we will write 100,000. 100,000. So now you take the numbers and place value system, then you will write the numbers name. 433,000, 433,000, 30, THIRTY, 33, THREE, 433,000, THOUSAND, 433,629, 629, SIXX 100, HUNDRD 600. The final number is 29. What is the spelling 20? TWENTY, 20, ENTY, 20 and finally 9. 29. Listen children, the question is rewrite following the number using international place value chart. So they given Indian place value system, then insert the international place value chart, then you will write the numbers name. So what is the number? 433,629. So actually the question is 4,33,629. 629. The international place value system, the answer is 433,629. 433,629. Our next topic is rewrite the following numbers using Indian place value system. Using Indian place value system. Our before topic is using international place value system. Now this topic is using Indian place value system. So here listen the question. 408,212. 408,212. Okay, this is international place value system. Now we are going to use the Indian place value. So Indian place value means in 100 place we should use, in before 100 place we should use lakh. Okay, so first you will write the numbers. 408,212. So tell me Krish, totally how many subperiods are there? Yeah, we have 6 subperiods and 2 common periods. So what are all the 2 common periods? Ones, 1000. The 6 subperiods are ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Now you should put the box. So what is the first box value? The first box is ones. So write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and finally 100,000. 1,000, 10,000 and finally 100,000. So listen, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and finally 100,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So the question is 408,212. 408,212. So write 408,212. 408,212. This is international place value chart. Now you should use the Indian place value chart. So what is the Indian place value chart subperiods? The first place value is ones. The second place value is tens, hundreds, 1,000. The next one is 10,000. The final one is lakh place. 10,000 and lakh place. Now you take the numbers and place value system. Then you will write the numbers. Listen, 4,08,212. 4,08,212. So write 4 lakh, F-O-U-R 4. So what is the spelling lakh? L-A-K-H. L-A-K-H. 4 lakh 8,000. E-I-G-H-T. 8,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 4,08,212. 4,08,212. So write TWO2 100 HUNDRED 100 12. TWELVE. TWELVE. So actually what is the topic? The topic is international place value system. In this international place value system, we convert into Indian place value system. In international place value system, we have two common periods, ones, 1,000. The 6 subperiods are ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. The Indian place value system, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Just take the numbers and place value system, then you will write the numbers name. So we are clear. So today's our final topic is write the numbers in figures. Write the numbers in figures. The question is 508,136. 508,136. So listen children. This is what is the place value system? This is international place value system, right? Listen, write the numbers in figures. They given numbers. Now we are going to write the numbers in figures. So first we are going to write the numbers. Listen. So in international place value system, we have 6 subperiods. So put that periods ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So write the place value under the box ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and finally 100,000. Finally 100,000. Take 508,000. 508,000. So write 508,136. 508,136. So this is the answer. 508,136. So we will see one more example. Listen. 300 THREE 300 HUNDRED 300 31,000 30 THIRTY 30 1,000 ONE 1. The thousand spelling is THOUSAND 31,000. Finally 502. 502. FIVE 5 HUNDRED 502. So now we are going to write the numbers in figures. Now we are going to write the numbers in figures. Totally you are going to put 6 boxes, that is 6 sub periods, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So put that ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000 and finally 100,000. 100,000. So take and write 331,000. 331,000. So 331,502. Write 502. 331,502. So what is the topic name? Write the numbers in figures. They give an international place value system. So simply you take and write the numbers name. So thank you children. I hope everyone enjoying this section, right? In this section you have learned international place value system. So the first topic is rewrite the international place value system and then write the numbers name, then rewrite the Indian place value system and finally write the numbers and figures. I hope everyone enjoyed this section. So in this below description we have attached study material, question bank and self-assessment bank. My dear students, you should do the self-assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through these videos. Thank you students.